What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron Forex Scott. I'm shooting this video to basically do a recap of last week's results utilizing our PETS Pmbo indicator. Yes, we have our own indicator on TradingView exclusively for our team. If you're a part of the team and you don't have access to this amazing indicator, revert to the Facebook chat or the Telegram chat. Leave us your Epic ID and your TradingView username so that we can get you connected. But we're going to go through some of these pairs. We're going to go through some of these setups, and we're going to show you how powerful this indicator is. Now, we're not going to dive into the strategy. That's more so for our paid active members, but I'm going to share with you the results utilizing this indicator. So basically what you're looking for is, well, what you're looking at is a high, which is this green line, and a low, which is the red line. So basically, whenever we get a break, if you're in the zone and you get a break below the low or this red line, we're going to go for continuation and we're getting into sales. If it breaks above the green line, the indicator will let you know that it is a trade setup. You can get alerts. It's going to tell you what your take profit 1, 2, 3 is. It's going to tell you what your possible stop loss can be, and you can get into the trade. So we're going to get started from the very top. This is AUD CAD. Notice we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 setups. All 5 setups eventually went into profit for about 30 pips. 30 pips, 5 setups for 30 pips. That's 150 pips utilizing this amazing indicator. One pair. You got 5 trades off of this one pair, AUD CAD, and you caught at least 30 pips apiece, which is 150 pips. Next trade is AUD CHF. Notice AUD CHF came right above our zone. As soon as it came above our zone, it gave us an amazing entry, and then it went straight into profit. This is an amazing trade. 70 pips in profit. So you got 150 pips on the first trade or the first pair, 70 pips on the second pair. That's 220 pips total so far. This is AUD JPY. Notice here, let's get rid of this red line. We got a break of our low. Not only did we get a break of our low, we went directly into profit. So if we were to measure this out, we would have caught about another 70 pips. So that's a total of, so far, out of 3 pairs, 290 pips. Let's go to the next one. Now this one, being that it's already below our zone or below our low, this would not be a trade that we have taken. Last week, it gave us a couple setups. That was a stop loss hit. But it did give us a couple setups. These trade will still be in a profit if you had held it from last week into this week. But being that it did not come back into our zone, we did not, based off of this strategy and indicator alone, we would not have traded AUD and ZD this prior week. So we're still at 290 pips. Notice this one is still in the zone. It never broke below the low, is now using it as support. So in use of this indicator, we would not have gotten to a trade last week on AUD USD. Let's go to Euro AUD. Now here we go, Euro AUD. We have one trade set up here, another trade set up here, hit our stop loss. So we got 2 trades. Our stop loss is usually about 20 pips. So if we hit our stop loss on 2 of these, that's negative 40 pips. We was at 290 pips. So that brings our pip count total down to 250 pips. But notice here, we have another trade set up, and it broke the high. So we're expecting a continuation up, and we got about 90 pips or so on this trade setup. So that's 340 pips total. We have a trade set up here. These both hit our stop loss. So that takes away another 20, another 40 pips. So now we're at 300 pips so far for the week. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for you guys, but I just wanted to share with you the amazing results utilizing this indicator. Now this is EuroCAD. Notice EuroCAD is still in the zone. It never broke above our high, never broke below our low. So within this case, using this indicator, we would not have gotten into the trade for EuroCAD. We're still at 300 pips so far for the week. Same thing for Euro GBP, still in the zone. That's a no trade zone. Here we go. We got a break here. One, we have two breaks. Both of these hit a stop loss. So now we're at 260 pips because this is 20 pips stop loss, another 20 pips stop loss. We was at 300. So you can take away your 40 pips and your stop losses. So now we're at 260 pips. But then we get a trade set up here, and then we get ours 50 pips back. So now we're at 200 or 60 pips back. So now we're back at 300 pips total. Euro NZD still in the zone, no trade zone. So let's go to the next pair. Euro USD is in the no trade zone. So we're still at 300 pips so far for the week. This was an amazing setup. We have GBP, AUD. I don't think this was 20 pips. Let's see. That actually was, okay. So that's 20 pip a loss here. 20 pips loss here. 20 pip loss here. 20, 40, 60, 80. That's 80 pips that we lost. Even though we eventually went into profit, it's okay. But if you was to utilize a 20 pip stop loss, you would have got stopped out on these 4 trades. So that's negative 80 pips. That brings our pip total down to 220 pips. You're still in profit for the week, so it's okay. You might have caught 4 losses on this trade in a row, but then when it did break, right there, you got 140 pips. 170 pips. So you lost 80 and brought your total down to 220. Then you gained 170 pips back. So that brings your pip count up to 390 pips so far for the week. GBP CAD still in the zone, no trade zone. GBP JPY, no trade zone. GBP NZD, no trade zone. GBP USD, no trade zone. NZD CAD, no trade zone. NZD JPY, no trade zone. NZD USD, no trade zone. S&P 500, no trade zone. USD CAD, no trade zone. USD CHF, no trade zone. USD JPY, no trade zone. We're still at 390 pips. And then we have oil. First trade set up here. If you had gotten into this trade, you would have got about 10 pips. So that gives you 400 pips on this trade. Minus 20 here, so you're back at 380. And then you got 2 trade setups that went into profit, about another 10 pips. So now we're at around 400 pips total for the week. I believe that was all. Let's go to USD TRY. We have a couple of these that we could have gotten into. This was an amazing setup. Once you got the break, it hit your take profit 1, 2, 3, and it gave you over 520 pips. So we was at around 400. You add around 500. That's 900 pips total. Let's go to USD ZAR. This is another exotic. USD ZAR, no breaks. So we're at about around 900 pips total utilizing this indicator. And it can be very, very simple. As you can see, you're not going to get trade setups on every single pair every single week. But if you utilize this with consistency and proper risk management, and you become disciplined and patient in waiting for the trade setup, you can find yourself getting on the right side of the trade at the right time. These levels are very important. The indicator is very powerful. It's going to, once it gives you a break, you can get an alert on your phone telling you that you got a break of a low. Is going to give you your take profit 1, 2, and 3. And it's also going to give you your stop loss. Notice we have 1, 2, and 3 here, which is your yellow boxes, which is also your take profit zones. See these yellow boxes is also your take profit zone. So not only will you get access to the indicator, not only will you get access to the full academy, you're also going to get access to our 6 and our 7 figure private education team. We have our own educational team within the trading platform. Shout out to the Paid to Live team. Shout out to the Money Don't Sleep educational team. Me, myself, along with a few others that's inside of our Winner Circle group, we're going to be teaching you key strategies that you can utilize in your arsenal. Therefore, while you're learning through the academy, while you're going through the 2 week syllabus, or you're going through the more intermediate and advanced training inside of our academy, you will get access to the key strategies, the tools, and the resources you need. That way, you can start seeing results almost immediately. Utilizing this one indicator alone, you could have potentially caught anywhere between 500 to 1,000 pips in 1 week. One strategy, 1 week, 500 to 1,000 pips. And this is even for the beginner traders. Look at this trade setup. Once you get a break, you're going to get an alert. And not only will you get the alert if you know how to set it up, but we also have an alerts group in Telegram. So even if you're away, you're going to get the alert to your Telegram letting you know that, excuse me, AUDCHF just broke below the low, and you should pick up your trade, looking for the trade setup, put in your parameters. That way you can catch this move. This is well over 90 pips to the downside. So if you're looking for the right group, the right platform with the right community that has the right strategies, the right education, and the right tools that is going to put you on the right side of the fence, then get in contact with me or anybody that's inside the Winning Circle group. You will get free access to this tool. Once you join our academy, not only will you get access to the full academy, which is priceless in itself, it has so much value within the academy itself. You're also going to get the 20 pip and dip indicator on TradingView as well as an added bonus. So not only will you get the 20 pip and dip indicator, you're also now just becoming a part of our team. You're going to get access to the Pets Pmbo indicator as well. And with this indicator, the alerts, you will find yourself catching at least 500 to 1,000 pips every single week. So if you've been struggling, if you've been in your journey and you're not getting the consistency that you deserve, we have key strategies that is going to help you in your journey. It is going to help you elevate your win ratio compared to your loss ratio, and is going to help you consistently catch and profit in pips every single week. Right now, like I said, we're giving this tool away for all of our active members. If you're active inside of our Winning Circle team and you don't have access to the indicator, just shoot me a message, send me your Epic ID and your TradingView username, and I can get you connected immediately. This is a tool that we're going to use for our team to make sure that our team is getting the results that they deserve. So if you're inconsistent in your trading, or if you're just getting started and you don't know where to go, or if you're lost, you're not getting the results that you feel that you deserve, this tool can help you tremendously. Notice these setups are very, very valuable. So not only will you get the tool, but becoming a part of the team, we're actually going to teach you the strategy that is driving the tool. We're going to teach you and break down the strategy. That way, even if you don't have the tool, you can still utilize the strategy and still be able to catch these trades. So hopefully you guys have an amazing, amazing rest of the year. I know 2020 has been a roller coaster ride for some, and for others, like myself, it has been in a uh, wide range of possibilities. It has been a eye opener. It has been an awakening for not only me, but for other people on the team. We're going to have an amazing year 20 and 21. Elections is coming up. We don't really know. I don't want to get into the politics, but when it comes to what's going to happen in the next 90 days, can drastically shift your finances in a great way. So do not sleep on this opportunity. Get in touch with me or anybody that's in the Winning Circle group so that we can get you caught up to speed. We can get you into our education. We can get you into our platform. That way you can start learning how to maximize your income by allowing your money to make money for you. So hopefully you have an amazing, amazing rest of the year. Hopefully you make the wise decision that is going to impact your lives and your family lives for generations to come. My name is Aaron Forex Scott. I'll see you guys in the next video.